Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. However, at the moment I am doing 31 days of Halloween and this is today's look. If you want to find out how to do this look, what I've used, etc., then stay tuned and let's get on with it. Okay, so to start off this look I have already applied my foundation, bit of contouring and some light highlighting. And for this look I'm going to be covering one of my eyes with a bandage. So I'm only going to be doing one of my eyes with makeup. I'm just going to take a bit of my p.louise base and cover my lid and a little bit underneath my eye. And then I'm taking a baby blender and just bouncing all over that face. I'm going to take my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette and I'm going to use this dark brown. And I'm just blending that above the hollow of my eye as a transition shade. Now I'm just going to take a matte black, and this is a Starry Eyed palette, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Also bringing that black down a little bit underneath my eye. Now I'm going to take an oldish palette, which I haven't used that much, but I absolutely love it. It's the Urban Decay collab with Kristen Leanne. So I'm just going to take Corona to begin with, which is this one here. And I'm just applying that over the black. Also going to take a bit of the Stay Gold, which is obviously gold. And I'm going to apply that to my inner corners. Well, inner corner. And then taking a fluffy brush with a little bit of the same brown from the contour palette that I used as an eyeshadow earlier, just above right around the edges and make the look overall softer. Going to go in with a black eyeliner and just line my waterline. Going to take my liquid eyeliner, which is the Look Sharp liquid eyeliner from Evil Eye Cosmetics, and I'm just going to line my top lashes. And the lashes I'm going to be using are the Evil Eye Cosmetics Tempest. For my lips I'll be using Succubus by Black Rose Cosmetics. Now for the fun part. So before I apply the bandage to my eye, I'm just taking a matte black eyeshadow and just messily putting it over my eye that's going to be covered. Doesn't matter how neat or whatever this is, just as long as your eyeball's covered. Well, not eyeball, eyelid. And a little bit underneath your eye. Now I've cut quite a thick crepe bandage in half, which to me still looks very thick. However, that's not really going to matter once we apply it and stretch it out. So I'm going to slide it up underneath the hat a bit and then just wrap it around. And to secure it in place, I'm just using some bobby pins. Now I'm going to take a big gnarly fake cockroach and I'm just applying some lash glue on the underside of him. I'm also taking a second one to make it look as if he is crawling under. Then I'm going to just take some black and brown eyeshadows and just smear them on the bandages to make them look dirty. I'm also going to take my Global Colors Skin. Also going to dab around my face underneath the bandage and a bit down my cheek on that side with the darkest brown from the Skin shade palette. Also going to take the tiniest bit of blood and put it on that bandage as well. And I'm going to use a Q-tip to do that. And by tiny, I mean a very small amount. And that concludes today's 31 Days of Halloween video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next 31 Days of Halloween videos. Bye!